Hello, friends, and welcome once again. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. I hope you have had a very good Diwali, and here's wishing you everyone a very happy New Year. And I am sure that the next full year till Diwali, you will have good trading opportunities, not only on the intraday basis but also otherwise. And I hope everybody is benefiting from the intraday price targets which I am giving. In fact, incidentally, the stocks which I have analyzed on Sundays, every Sunday I conduct one session from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. And there, the stocks which we have discussed last to last Sunday, they have performed extraordinarily well, and I am sure those of you who have attended have benefited from the price movements. Especially to mention a couple of them, couple of stocks which we analyzed: Tata Motors and also Petronet and Hindalco. So I think you have benefited from them, from the good price movement which we saw in these stocks. Now coming to the today's intraday targets. Well, the Nifty, the trend deciding level for the Nifty today is 12,900, approximately 897. So 12,900. Right now, we are quoting below that 12,860. Today is 17th of November, and right now we are at around 9:35 a.m. So the trend deciding level, as I said, 12,900. Right now we are trading below that, so we should target on the downside. Initially, 12,800 is the first calculated target, and below that 713, that is 12,713. On the upper side, there should be some strong resistance at 12,960, 965 levels. Please note that the range which I have given is quite wide. The reason being that nowadays the volatility percentage is quite high. So you can have some wild swings in the market, and that is why these the targets and the price levels which I am giving, even for intraday, are quite huge. Let us go to Bank Nifty now. In case of Bank Nifty, currently we are at 28,920, and the trend deciding level is at 28,856. So we are quoting above that, and on the upper side, the target should be 29,036 to 29,050 levels. There can be some small resistance there from where the prices can turn back down. If the trend deciding level is broken, that is 28,856 is broken, then we should target 28,614, and thereafter 28,400. Please note that in case of Bank Nifty, the this level 28,400 is a key level, not only for today's intraday but also for the next couple of days. Now let me go to the stocks. That is the Reliance. The first stock I have taken is Reliance. The trend deciding level for Reliance is 2043. We are quoting right now below that. That is 10,000. Sorry, 20220 approximately. And we should target on the lower side 2002 levels. That is the first level, and on the second level, the lower side, 1980. And also please note that in case of Reliance, the trend, this overall trend will be stopped, will be halted if it is breaking this 1980 levels. And now let me go to Bajaj Finance. For Bajaj Finance, the trend deciding level is 4384. We are right now at nearer to 4400. Means we are on the higher side, on the upper side of the trend deciding level. On the upside, we should target around 4457, 4460. And if the trend deciding level is broken, then there should be a target on the downside near to 4302. Please note that yesterday's closing, that is on the Diwali Muhurat day trading, and today's low is around 4344. That is a key level which, if that is broken, then the lower targets can be definitely achieved. So these are the targets for Bajaj Finance. Let me go to another stock. Sun Pharma has been active for some days. And in case of Sun Pharma, the trend deciding level is 519. Right now, we are quoting below that 516.60. So on the lower side, we should target 512 approximately. That is a 512, and below that 504. In fact, I would expect that in this, considering the daily structure of Sun Pharma, I would expect that the prices will take support nearer to 510, 512 levels, and from there should be some rebound. On the upper side, once the trend deciding level is broken, that is 519 is broken on the upside, you should target 527. Though it is not visible on the screen, on the resolution, because of the resolution of the screen, but the target on the upside is 527. So I hope these levels will help you in your trading for intraday today, and I'm sure you're all going to have a good intraday trading today. In fact, I would also suggest that if you have scripts in mind, please do share them, on the comment section, so that I can include them in our daily price target analysis. Thank you very much. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala signing off.